Here is the second video that I was able to generate, like for a slow motion video of our hummingbird. I've created a Google Colab and I'll share in the video description. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be talking about this new text to video model called Mochi. I hope I'm getting the name right. So this is an open source model and the weights for the model is available on Hugging Face right now. Here are some of the videos that the developers have posted. I'm guessing they're probably handpicked, I guess. According to Mochi's GitHub page, they mentioned that we need 4 H100 GPUs to be able to run this model. But a developer on GitHub named Kijai, I hope I'm spelling that correctly, has managed to run this model on a single GPU. Using this repository, GitHub repository, I was able to run it locally and do some generations in ComfyUI. Here's the first video that I was able to generate using the prompt Will Smith eating spaghetti. It's not amazing, but it is not bad either. Here is the second video that I was able to generate, like for a slow motion video of our hummingbird. I think the second video of the hummingbird looks quite nice. Actually, it's great for generating a video locally. I only generated 2 because each generation takes about 50 minutes on my computer. I will start a video generation task to give you an idea how much memory is used. So right now it's running at 4 gigabytes. Now I'll start the video generation task. And we should see the memory consumption go up. We can see that the video generation has started. There is 0 out of 50 right now. For some reason my GPU is running slow, maybe because of OBS. But right now it's consuming in total 19 gigabytes. The way I was able to get this to work locally is to install ComfyUI from their GitHub, and then install the ComfyUI nodes provided by the guy who was able to convert this model to be able to run on local GPU, and another ComfyUI nodes by the same guy, and then another third one. And after all these were set up, you can just go into examples and then load this ComfyUI workspace into ComfyUI. I also had to download the model weights that was modified from the original Mochi weights, which is here. And then I also had to download the T5 encoder weight. I will provide a link to all of these in the video description. I've created a Google Colab and I'll share in the video description, so you can use it to generate videos in Google Colab. So in the Colab, I'm cloning ComfyUI, Git repository, and then the 3 custom ComfyUI nodes. In the Colab, first I'm downloading the diffusion model weights, and then the VAE weights, and then the T5 encoder weights. After that, I'm doing the pip install requirements for the ComfyUI, and then I'm installing ngrok Python library, and then I'm importing it. For us to be able to access the HTTP server on the Colab, we would need to install something called ngrok. So you would need to create an ngrok account, and you'll get a auth key. You'll put the auth key here and then run these 2 lines. Then you can run Python main, and that will start the server, ComfyUI server. Then you can go to the ngrok endpoint account, and then in the endpoint section, and then you'll get a link. You click on the link, then it will show you the ComfyUI running in Colab. The next step is go back to ComfyUI MochiWrapper and download, and go into examples and then download. And then in ComfyUI, you simply just load the workspace file. After you've loaded the MochiWrapper project example in ComfyUI, you can simply just give your prompt here and then just say qprompt. You'll get an error. We can close this. You can just select here and select the other file and then qprompt again, and this will start the video generation. So now if we go back to Google Colab, and we will say that the process has started, but I think I'll get an out of memory error because the T4 does not have enough GPU memory. As expected, I got an out of memory error. But if you have a Google Colab Pro or have credit, you should be able to run this. If you guys liked the video, please feel free to like and subscribe. That's it for this video. Bye.